What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, guys, and I'm happy to bring you another video on the power of QM patterns. So I want to share with you this trade that I took. You can see the setup was actually on the 4th of March. All right, so this is the trade I was looking at. This is German 30 or German 40. I was looking to buy this trade to the upside, and I want to explain to you the reason why I took this trade and the mindset and how actually the trade played out. So guys, remember to show some love by liking this video, by subscribing to our channel, and by turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime we post. So this is how the trade started. I was looking to buy, and you can see we entered and the market just shot up around 1.2%. Then it went on and on. You can see this is where our take profit was, and finally you can see our setup was actually completed. So let me go to the charts and show you the whole idea behind this trade. All right, guys, so this is the trade. So let's delete everything so we can go through the whole process. So I'm gonna start with the 4-hour time frame, and start from the 4-hour time frame. Well, you can see that definitely we say the first thing we want to look for is you want to look for the market direction, and as you can see clearly that we are now what, we are on an uptrend. All right, so I'm actually interested in this particular level over here. You can see that we were actually on an uptrend, and the market was giving us higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs. So that's how the market moves on an uptrend. Then at this particular level over here, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. As the market was approaching this level over here, then this is where I took my trade over here. This is where I was able to spot my QM pattern. So we say that when you're looking to buy, we want to see, number one, we want to see a break of structure. As you can see here, you can see a break of structure. We want to see a change of character. You can see as the market break of structure, you can see the change of character. Then we want the market to come back to this level, which is this level over here. Then now we look for our confirmation. Then we look for our divergence. Then we do what? Then we buy to the upside. If I change this into a line chart, you can see it clearly here. We had our lower lows, which is here, lower lows. Then we had our higher highs, which is here, higher highs. The market came, tapped our zone over here, then boom, just went to the upside. And then the next thing we want to look for is either we are looking for a regular bullish divergence in this particular level, or this way we are looking for what you call a what? We're looking for a hidden divergence. So if I go back to my wherever, you can see that as the market was let me take this one out. You can see that as the market was giving us the higher highs, right? You can see the market was giving us the higher highs. What was happening to our indicator, our awesome oscillator? Our awesome oscillator was giving us lower lows. So you can see that that's a clear, hidden bullish divergence, and what it does is that it signifies to us that the market is going to continue in its current position. So once the market taps our zone over there, we're not wasting time. We want to enter over there, and you can see that definitely you can see the rejection, which is also another good sign. We are looking for confirmation. I have another confirmation method that I normally use. I teach that to my student, but you can use whatever confirmation method you use over here. Then you enter. Then we are looking for our take profit to this high over here. You can actually target the wick, or you can target the body. It actually it all depends with you and how you decide to manage your trade. And you can see this one actually really played out very well, around 7.91%. Massive trade. So you can see, guys, I was actually updating my students in my students community. I was updating them as the market was actually playing out. You can see this is how I entered my trade. I mean, this was a beautiful setup. I wasn't afraid of stacking up. You can see I really stacked up my position, and you can see played out very well, and finally it went all the way to our take profit. And this is actually where our take profit was. So guys, this thing works on currencies, work on synthetics. Some people kept asking me that do they do that? Does it only work on synthetics? It works on synthetics, it works on currencies, it works on indices. You can see this is an index, and there's an index that's German 30. All right, there was another beautiful trade here. It was Euro NSD. We took some time ago. You can see this was also another QM pattern over here. Had our higher highs, we had our lower lows. The market came to tap our zone over there. Then we just entered to the downside. You can see this one played around 4.82%. So while the market gave us higher highs, and even if you change this to a line chart, you can see that's a higher high, right? The awesome oscillator gave us lower high. That is our divergence. Then we are looking to sell these to we're looking to sell this to the downside. All right, beautiful. There was also another one, I think GBP USD. Beautiful trade on GBP USD. Let me remove the drawing. So what happens here is you can see that definitely, first of all, you look at the market direction. You can see we're on an uptrend. So definitely, once we are on an uptrend, what are we looking for? We are looking for buying opportunities. So I was interested as while this market was approaching at this level over here, right? This level over here. And let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at how it approached. I can already see my QM pattern. Let me change this into a line chart. What do you see? You see your lower lows, right? Then what do you see? You see your higher highs. And then what are we looking for? We go back to this. Then what are we waiting for? We are looking for this market to tap this level over here. You can see just tapped it, and then what happened? Just flew all the way to the upside, right? We are looking at a possible around 340 pips. Look at that, massively to the upside. So so that's the power of QM patterns. It works on currencies, it works on indices, it works on synthetics, it works on everything, right? It works on everything that can be traded. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you want to join, I have a free Telegram channel. If you want to join, you can join. Hit the link on the description below. You can join that. If you want to join my student community, you can also hit me up on Telegram, whereby I can add it to my student community, whereby you have access to that, and you also have access to my course. I have a very simple 54 minutes straight to the point course. You're not going to waste a lot of time with many videos telling you many things. Straight into the point and into the strategy. So if you're interested, hit me up and I will guide you on how you can be able to access that as well. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out every time we post a video on this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.